throw your life into His hands. Day by day discern His plans. God is passionately busy loving you and me. Every ocean wave that breaks upon the seashore, every stalk of golden weed, every silver stream that gushes down the mountains, every drop of honey sweet, every eagle flying high, everyone that wriggles by, tells a fascinating news to those who dare to hope. And the message is God still loves the world. God still loves the world. So throw your life into His hands. Day by day discern His plans. God is passionately busy loving you and me.
I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Children, today's thought for the day is: don't compare your child to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Once again, I am repeating: don't compare your child to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Thank you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the end, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good, ready.
Good morning, children. Today's vocabulary word is Agitate. Spelling Agitate. Agitate. It's a verb. Meaning to make someone troubled, nervous or upset. In sentence, the thought of questioning Ramu agitated him extremely. If I talk about the problem with him, it just agitates him even more. Thank you.